In this video, I will solve your doubts on how to split payments on eBay and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you have multiple credit cards, you might be curious if you are able to split payment on eBay, meaning that you will be able to use various different cards that you have for one order on the website or the mobile app. So you can go in here and look for whichever product you would like to try splitting the payment for. So add the items to your cart, and when you proceed to checkout, you will be able to see all of the checkout options and payment methods available. So you proceed to checkout and you can choose from a variety of payment methods. Now, usually to split payments, you would select Add New Card. If this is your first time adding a card, you will be required to enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and then the name. After this is done, you can proceed. However, what you will notice is that there is no option related to splitting this payment. Even if I press Ctrl F and I look for the word split, nothing is found. So sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that it seems like there is no option to split payments on eBay. According to their own website and their help and support page, they have stated that if you are trying to make an order of more than $500, the option would be available. But for most users, this option doesn't seem to appear regardless of the item, regardless of the price. So sadly, as it stands today, it seems like you will not be able to split payments on eBay anymore. If you would like to try this on your own, just proceed to checkout, choose the credit or debit card function, and then see if you find the option to toggle a split payment on or off. But if you don't see it here, like me, then you will not be able to split payments on eBay. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of the payment methods on PayPal and eBay and why it doesn't seem possible to do this. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.